of your concerns para hindi po tayo nagpo-problema, no? Wait lang po. Okay. Para hindi po tayo nagpo-problema, I'll not discuss this much, pero perhaps later I can share this to you in our GC, no? Kung hindi nyo pa po natanggap. You'd like to want to know classroom program, sample classroom program. Who is on stage 2? From P stage 2 to P stage 3. You are all teachers of grade 7 and 10. Therefore, we all belong in P stage 3. But please be reminded of these. All English, science, mathematics, music and arts, PE and health should be taught using English as our medium of instruction, while Filipino, Araling Panlipunan, GMRC, and TLE-EPT will be in Filipino. Ours, please take a look at our speed sa mga nagtatanong kahapon. For the implementation of the Matatag curriculum, that is our time allotment and the number of minutes. Since we will only be implementing grade 7, so for the grade 7 classroom program, if you are a classroom teacher, if you are a teacher to handle English subjects or other learning area, your school head will ask you to handle, kasi kulang ang teacher sa ibang learning area at ikaw naman ay kulang ka rin ng teaching load mo sa English, please be reminded of the following number of minutes for grade 7 for the school year 2024-2025. Mapapansin po natin, from Monday to Thursday, total number of minutes of our students is 390, while on Fridays, they will have 405 minutes at grade 7. Okay? Kasi wala pa po 8, 9, 10, ay K to 12 pa. So ngayon ay grade 7 pa lang, kaya ang grade 7 pa lang po yung may 390 Monday to Thursday and 405 on Fridays. So mama ng issue natin, ang number 1 issue natin dito, yung grades 8 to 12, grades 8 to 10, 60 minutes sila, ang English nila. Kasi we will be using the K to 12. Basic Education Program Curriculum.
O ibang
For
grade
7, may problema ka kasi tapos ka na mag-klase sa grade 7 ng 45, lilipat ka sa grade 8, hindi ka pa makalipat kasi may 15 minutes ka pa sila naghihintay ka pang matapos, may 60 minutes na lang. So ganyan, hindi natin masusukat ang galing ng school head gumawa ng classroom program. At napag-i-part natin kung paano ka isuswak yung 45 minutes ng load ng grade 7 teacher doon sa load ng teacher sa grade 8 na English din na 60 minutes. Hindi po yan ma-underload. Sige po. Magbigay po tayo sa inyo tanong ni Sir, ma-underload po ba kami? Magbigay po ako sa inyo ng isang classroom program for grade 7. Ano na to? Grade 1? Grade 1A, punta-punta. Yan! Ay, medyo maliit.
Seryoso ka, sir, ha?
Mukhang yan na po talaga ang pinakamalaki.
Nandoon silang to sa'yo sa classroom palace, sa Matatag
Wait
Palace.
po.
Silang to sa'yo na rin. Pati kay sir, sila. Opo. Tayo gagawa ng question, tayo gagawa ng answer, tayo magra-rationalize. Mga lang sagot mo.
English 7. Ay, nawala doon. Okay. You are now an English 7 teacher and you are expected, for example, to teach the following subjects. In our case, we have 3 sections in grade 7 and 3 sections in grade 8 in our example. Okay? Kung mapapansin po natin, magsisimula ng 7 o'clock, matatapos po ng 4:45 ang klase ng grade 7 in the Matatag curriculum. If you are the teacher to teach English 7 and 8, and you may have the following subjects. Mapapansin po natin dito na may vacant pa po ba kayo? Yes. Diba? So, start ka 7:20 to 8:05, 8:05 to 8:50, nakatapos ka na ng dalawang subject. English 7 and English 7A, English 7B. May vacant ka ng 9:50 to 9:35. Meron kang health break ng 9:35 to 9:55. Klase ka ulit ng 9:55 to 10:40 for another class in grade 7. And then, wala ka ng load sa grade 7 kasi tatlong sections ka lang. Kukuha ka na naman ng session mo sa grade 8. Pero ito ay kung ang grade 8 mo ay matatag curriculum na. So, kung grade 8 mo ay K to 12 pa, mag-a-adjust ka 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Kung 2 to 3, ang bakante mo natitira 15 minutes na. Sa next year, kung matatag na yung grade 8, from 3 o'clock, ang magiging bakante mo 2:30 na. Okay? So kung ang grade 8 mo, for example, matatapos sa 3 o'clock, so 15 minutes, may remediation ka dito na 3:15 to 3:45. Then you'll have collaborative expertise from 3:45 to 4:45. Mandated po ito. So ma'am, ibig sabihin, kapag nagturo kami ng 6 hours, di pa kami pwedeng umuwi. Di ba sabi, yung 2 hours pwede raw kong gawin outside the school. Kay Matatag, hindi na. Kasi sa training ni Matatag, may collaborative expertise. Collaborative expertise can be done after your classes, that is 3:45 to 4:45, 1 hour. So, pag Monday and Thursday, may collaborative expertise, beginning of the week and ending of the week. In midweek, you'll have different intervention activities, culminating activities, and other activities. On a Friday, you have homeroom guidance program for 45 minutes. Kaya kung titignan po natin, plus class advisory, plus 45 minutes HGP, you have 60 minutes. May actual teaching load ka 225, kung ito ay 45 na. Kung hindi pa siya 45, add ka ng 30 minutes, magiging 235 minutes ka na from 60. Sobra ka na ng 320. So, hindi ka po underload. Malinaw po. Nakita nyo yung loading? Okay. Ma'am, ano ba po ang kasama? Wait. Ma'am, ano ba po yung kasama kapag ka po ang pinag-usapan naman ay other subjects na i-offer po ma'am kay grade 7 to 10? Balikan po natin. Ito po yung dapat makikita sa mga ginagawa ni grade 7 to 10. 5 and 6. Wait lang. 2 to 3. Saan yung grade 7 to 10? Will be taught in Filipino. Okay, pakitingnan po ito. Yan. So, kay grade 7 to 10, meron po tayong 45 minutes, 5 times a week ng lahat ng learning area. National Mathematics Program, NMP. Dapat po ang NMP ay 30 minutes, 4 times a week ay may kasama sa classroom program ng mga bata yung National Mathematics Program, 30 minutes a week, and Homeroom Guidance Program, 45 minutes once a week. So Monday to Thursday, may NMP. Pagdating ng Friday, walang NMP, pero merong HGP na 45 minutes. This one is for grade 7. Next year, ito na rin ang grade 8. Susunod, grade 9. Hanggang dumating tayo sa grade 10. that? Recalibrated time allotment of the 2016 Basic Education Curriculum. Ito po ang Basic Education Curriculum shall continue to be implemented using the most essential learning competencies in grade levels where the matatag curriculum will not be implemented yet. Anong grade levels po yun? 8, 9, 10. The MELS-based curriculum shall gradually be replaced following the phased implementation of the matatag curriculum with due consideration of the MELS-based curriculum from 2016. The time allotment for 2016 K-12 BEC shall be recalibrated adapting the time allotment of the matatag curriculum. So lahat na pala mula grade 7 hanggang grade 10, mananatili po na ito na po ang bilang, ay ulit, mananatili po na ito po ang bilang ng time allotment mula 7 to 10. Kahit na ang 8 to 12 ay 8, 9, 10, yan na rin po pala, based on recalibration, yan na rin po ang number of minutes mula 7 to 10. Opo. Hindi po, at teaching load nyo po, 45 minutes na rin, hindi na siya 60. So hanggang hindi po kayo, hindi nyo naaabot yung at least 320, including advising and HGP, dapat may additional load pa rin po kayo. Hindi na, not less than? Yes. Dito po sa example natin, 15 minutes lang. Kasi kung titignan po natin, kanina sa example, yung HGP is supposed to be sa advisor po yun eh. Tingnan po natin ulit, balikan po natin dito. Eto po siya Eto po siya advising sa last po na sample natin kanina, advising slash HGP, 60 minutes. Kung may 45 minutes kang HGP, may 15 minutes ka na lang advising. Dati kasi di ba yung advising considered one load? Ngayon hindi na, 15 minutes na siya kasama ng HGP. In other words, the HGP ngayon is part of your being. Kung sino ang class advisor, kanya na ang HGP. Malinaw. Kaya that is now considered 1 hour or 60 minutes additional to your teaching load.
The class of your class.
Malinaw po?
So yung immediate guidance counselor.
Malinaw na po?
I-share ko sir sa'yo. Ito policy. Sa ano, messenger. I-share ko na lang sa GCC.
Kung dati, 6 lang ang subject, ay 5 lang ang subjects mo, di ba? 60 minutes, you have only 5 subjects to complete the 300 minutes, 6-hour teaching load. Ngayon, hindi na. Paano mo ngayon makukuha yung 300 minutes in 45?
Divided by
So,
45.
ilang subject na kayo ngayon? 7 subjects. 7 times 4 is 280 lang eh. 7 times 5 is 35. 280 plus 35, that's 325. Kaya dapat 7.
Doon sa binigyan ka ako, pag 1 hour sila.
Kasi nga nag-45 lang. Malinaw po? Sige, I hope I made your queries yesterday as to the number of minutes clear to everyone. Okay na po ba? I'll send this file to our GC so that at least you have the reference in case your students were not able to send it to your respective GCs of the school. Maraming pong salamat. Magandang umaga. We'll now proceed on our discussion for worksheet 4.
Unload mo kasi
Again,